So true two-bedroom with a huge living room compared to the one we rented a couple of weeks ago. Kitchen and bath are to the right as you enter the apartment. Everything in the building was recently updated. It's all less than 5 years old. Great bathroom with a shower stall. Kitchen area's got ample counter space, cabinetry, and stainless steel. Full-size appliances. Smaller interior bedroom, still queen-sized, with a deep closet. And larger first bedroom could actually fit a king, but is easily also queen-size. With 2 exterior-facing windows overlooking Adam Clayton and a deep closet.